Hi, welcome to Sistaco. I'm Ashley, and today I'm going to show you how to use our bold black pattern press color that is inside your pattern press kit. You're going to need pattern press base coat, your pattern press top coat, the pattern press bold black color. You should have a twin tip applicator. You're going to need your stamper, your pattern press template. I'm actually using Bloom and Wave today. We're going to go ahead and go in with our pattern press top coat, set in our LED light for a full 2 minutes. If you empty the contents of the little folder for pattern press template, you will see that you have a pattern press scraper. So we're now going to grab our pattern press bold black, and we're also going to grab our twin tip applicator. We're going to dip our applicator into the bold black, and I am going to just go above this design right here. And then we're going to take our pattern press scraper. I'm going to swipe down. Now I'm going to take my pattern press stamper. Okay, so we're going to look through the base, and then I'm going to press down and pick up. You have probably picked up a couple of other designs that you got some paint on. All you're going to do to remove those is you could take your scraper, simply press, and you'll continue to press until that design comes off, okay? So I'm going to look through the base, and you're going to press, roll to the left, roll to the right, and pick up. We're going to go ahead and set this inside of our LED light for 2 minutes. Feel free to stop here and top coat with our pattern press top coat. But if you want to move along and have a little bit more of I have another color that you can use on top of this. I'm actually going to be using a holographic on the top of the bold black. Take this and rub it over the black. I'm just going back and forth. I'm just going to take my pattern press top coat, and we're going to set that design. Now we're going to go ahead and put this inside of the LED light for 2 minutes. So this is our finished look. I absolutely love it. This was so much fun. There are so many combinations, so many different designs that you can do with our pattern press designs, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.